Nobody reads until your words become design. So let me show you how to turn plain Elementor text into stunning visuals with Elementor Textual Showcase widget by Xpro. With this widget, your text becomes a design element that works for your goal. Want to capture attention right away? Need to connect emotionally with your audience? Trying to boost engagement and clicks? This widget does it all. Now that you have seen what this widget can do, let's make it happen. So here's this masterpiece that grabs attention right away. So we're going to delete it and recreate it from scratch. From the search panel, find the Elementor Textual Showcase widget and drag it onto the page. This is the default view, so now let's personalize it. Under the Content tab, we have General option. And here you can see the field items. You get 5 by default, which is perfect for a quick start, but you can add a new tab, duplicate an existing one, or delete any item with these icons right here. Click any item to start editing. First up is the layout. Here you can decide whether to show text or images. When you choose images, you will get 2 tabs, Normal and Hover. Normal is just the default look. Add your image here. Hover is what shows when you move your mouse over it. You can even swap in another image like the same one but with a different background. Other things like rotate, opacity, CSS filter, height, width are also available to style each image differently, but we want all images to look consistent, so we will handle those in the styling tab later. If you go with text, just use this title field to drop your text in. Next is the color type, where we have solid or gradient. Just like images, you can give each word its own color to highlight keywords, but for a consistent look, we will set colors later in the styling tab. Alright, let's quickly set this up. You can arrange the items anytime you want. Set your image resolution from here because poor quality images can leave a bad impression on your visitors. Next, align the content. Adjust the space between the items from here. Make sure it's not too cramped or too far apart. And that's it for the Content tab. Let's move on to the Styling tab. Here we have 2 tabs, Text and Image. Let's start with text. In the typography section, set your font, size and weight. Feel free to explore the other options as well. If you would like to add an outline effect, just enable the outline text and then choose the stroke color and width from here. But if you're not using outline text, you will see the color type option instead. This is where you can set one color for all your text. Now on to the image. Adjust the width and height of the image from here. From Object Fit, choose how the image fills the space. Next we have the Normal and Hover options. From here, you can rotate the image up to 360 degrees. Adjust its opacity to make it clearer or more transparent. Use CSS filters to set image blur, brightness, contrast, saturation, or hue. Want a border? Just pick one from the drop-down. Select the color, adjust its width and radius. You can even add a box shadow to give your images some depth. I'm keeping these at default. Now on to Hover. It lets you add stylish effects that only appear when the mouse moves over the image. Setting up the rotation. And now images rotate a bit on Hover, great for interactivity. Feel free to use the other options too, and those stylings will appear when we move the mouse over it. That's it, let's have a look now. So this is how you can make your text turn into masterpiece using the Elementor Textual Showcase widget by Explore.